Hi everyone, this is me Disha. Welcome back to my channel and I hope everyone is doing great. So आज का video is an Urbanic haul video. Urbanic recently clubbed up with Flipkart and they launched this huge variety of products on Flipkart. I guess a month back, September 2021, and I shopped few products from there and the prices what they offered on other platforms versus on Flipkart were really low. So this is my first time ever shopping experience with Urbanic. So if you are interested in watching what all things I brought from Urbanic, let's quickly jump into the video. All the products that I received from Urbanic were nicely packed in these Ziploc bags. And the first product I have with me is this blue checkered top. The material is cotton and this is how it looks like. You can see me wearing it. It has a broad, a broad elastic at the back for a perfect fit and has this tie-up bow kind of thing in the middle. My size in this is M and the MRP of this top was rupees 890 and I got this for rupees 507, which is a great deal. So it's a big yes for this product. The next product I have with me is this pink round neck t-shirt. Although they quoted it as red on their website, but this is not a red t-shirt. It's pure pink. And I personally did not like this t-shirt because in the image I felt it would be an oversized t-shirt. I'm attaching an image somewhere here so you could see, like, it literally felt like it would be an oversized t-shirt, but you can see me wearing it. It is not an oversized t-shirt, and also the cotton, the material is not very good. I did not like it. These are the sleeves. The back is plain. So it's a big no from my side and I plan on returning this t-shirt. Maybe I purchased a wrong size. If I would have gone for one size bigger, that would be L. It would have given a vibe of an oversized t-shirt. The next product I have with me is this beautiful purple dress. I guess purple is the color of the year. I mean, it looks so amazing and I can literally buy anything that's purple. It's a plain dress. The material is thick polyester, amazing quality, and it has this broad belt at the back and a long zip at the back, if you could see. It's an off-shoulder dress. It can be a perfect choice for a birthday dress. The length goes below the knee and my size in this dress was M and the MRP of this dress was 1590, but I got this for rupees 845, which is amazing for the quality they offered. The next product I have with me is this beautiful green dress. It has a deep neck. You can see me wearing it. The size in this dress is also M and it's such a beautiful green. The material is rayon. You have this ties on the waist so you can give a proper fit to your waist. The MRP of this dress was rupees 1390 and I got it for rupees 645, and it's a big yes from my side. The next product that I have with me almost felt like a joke to me. I'll attach what I saw on Flipkart and what I actually received. This is a white mini skirt. The MRP of this skirt was rupees 890 and I received it for rupees 507. But this is a georgette kind of material and this did not fit me. Although the measures that were mentioned were exact measures that I usually buy, but this did not fit me. And in the image you can see it felt like a heavy quality fabric, but it's literally a see-through georgette and I did not like it at all, and a big no from my side. The next product I have with me is this classy grey tracksuit. This is the lower, has a fit of a palazzo, and this is the crop top, full sleeve crop top. It's a cotton blend. My size in this is M. The MRP of this product is rupees 1790, but I got this for rupees 1400. It's a big yes from my side for this. You can check the product from the link in the description box. And the last product I have with me from Urbanic is this leopard print blazer. I felt like the quality to be called as a blazer is really cheap. It has no stiffness. The MRP of this was rupees 1690, but I got it for rupees 1330. The last time I checked, it went down to rupees 1014. When it arrived, I later checked that the fabric was mentioned nylon. So this is a mistake from my side. If I would have read earlier that the fabric is nylon, I would have not purchased it. Although the print looks amazing, the print is amazing, but I did not like the quality. So I'll plan on returning this. That's it, you guys. Here we come to an end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, do give it a thumbs up. And overall, I had an amazing experience with Urbanic. Although there were few products that I did not like, and I plan on returning those products. Flipkart is, I guess, offering a 14 days return policy on Urbanic. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. And you can also follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.